I think the key to success in this business is drive. It takes a lot of drive. Every one of our employees takes a lot of pride in the work that they do, and we end up with a very good product in the end result. My name is Chad Abbott, and I'm the president and owner of Complete Excavating Incorporated. Complete Excavating specializes in commercial site work and utilities. We do storm, sanitary, and water installation, build the building pads, and all the actual site grading. Complete Excavating started in 2006. It's grown steadily over the years, especially over the last few years, but we still have the same bunch of employees that I started with. Having my son on the crew as well, he works hard and he learns a lot of stuff and he excels at a lot of things. He makes me proud every day.
Growing up, I've always seen, my dad run machines, and it's just an inspiration for one like me because you want to do the same thing that your pa did. This particular job site is quite a task. You need the power to cut into this hard, tough shell that we have on this job site and move the big rocks that we got. The 331 has more than enough to bury the bucket in a pile, and then when you go to load a truck, it has no struggles. It has very clear views are all around it, and then it's got a backup camera inside of it, so being able to see 360 around the thing makes it exceptional to move around in tight spaces. In this 50 mini excavator, I needed to be able to be a powerhouse and dig the dirt that we need done. You can get in tight spaces and get into corners of retaining walls, so it's very nice to have that versatility in that machine.
I mean, it takes a lot to do what they do. It takes its toll on the machines, and knowing that they can keep up with what we ask of them is key. John Deere is very reliable. It helps keep us going.